Oh, this is so good. Okay, now, okay, so again, just because it's just habit for me, we've got a 4, all right, and then we have a cosine pi, th- pi, pi. This said pi. Why are you writing 4 when you said pi? No editing here, people. None. All right, pi theta squared. All right. So again, I love the to rewrite it or at least think of it that way. All right. So then g prime of theta, yep, is going to equal 8 copy, which is the in terms of with respect to the inside function to the first power. All right. And then chain rule, derivative of cosine is negative sine. So negative sine, and then copy. Don't get derivative happy. Okay, you just do one at a time, and then pi. Derivative of pi theta is pi. All right, and so not much to do here. We could do the negative 8 pi. All right, I will do that. So negative 8 pi. I don't need that 1 for an exponent. So I'm going to get rid of it. So I've got cosine pi theta and then sine pi theta. And some people might like a parentheses around that so you can clearly see that pi theta is our angle. All right, and I may do that just to be clear there. And then that multiplication symbol is unnecessary, but I sometimes do that. Okay, so there we are. And the negative because of the derivative of cosine being negative, right? And then the 8 and the pi because the derivative of pi theta is pi, and then everything else just kind of dropped down. Our exponent became 1, so I don't need that anymore. That's it for m. All right, now, n, oh my, it's a 2x minus 3 inside a square root, which is inside a tangent. Okay, so let's go. Let's just go. So y prime is equal to, all right, the derivative of tangent is secant squared. So secant squared, okay, and then I'm copying the square root of 2x minus 3. All right, the derivative of the square root of something is next. And so that's going to be 1 half copy the 2x minus 3 to the negative 1 half. All right, and then my final chain rule is times the derivative of the inside. I never did take the derivative of 2x minus 3. I'm doing it now. All right, and then that's the square root on the bottom along with a 2. Those 2's are going to cancel. All right, so this is going to be up top. I'm going to have a secant squared square root of 2x minus 3. That square and square root have nothing to do with each other. That square is squaring the secant, and the square root is taking the square root of the 2x minus 3. They have nothing to do with each other. And then this 1 half times 2 is gone. And then on the bottom, I'm going to have a square root. Let's put it that way. Square root of 2x minus 3. Square root of 2x minus 3's don't cancel. This is not a multiplication process. I'm not trying to insult you. Um, that is not multiplication. That's an operation. It's a secant operation, right? 1 over cosine, whatever that is, and then take that value and square it. You don't actually have to do it, thank the Lord. And then on the bottom, we have that because of the negative exponent. That's it. M and N.